This video will explain how to configure security settings for OPC UA connection between ST6000 and Blue Open Studio. Security policy is a setting necessary for encryption and signature. The client must have one of the security policies set on the server side. A trusted certificate is used to create the secure connection between the client and the server. For the OPC UA connection way, please refer to the linked video displayed. And Blue Open Studio 8.1 SP5 is used in this video. Open security policy in Blue OPC UA server settings. Basic 128, Basic 256 refers to the number of bits used for signing or encryption. Sign means a certificate is valid. Encrypt means encryption is valid. For the detail on security policy, please see the table shown in the video. Select Basic 128 RSA 15 sign and Basic 256 sign and encrypt, and transfer them. A Blue self-signed certificate will be created on the ST6000 automatically. Next, open Server configuration of Blue Open Studio and click on Test Connection. Since the security isn't set on the client side, an error is displayed. Click on Security and set Message Security Mode to sign and encrypt, and Security Policy to Basic 256. Click on Create Self-Signed Certificate to open the certificate creation window. Click on Generate to create the self-signed certificate of Blue Open Studio client. A storage location is shown at the time of creation. Open Blue OPC UA settings. Certificate of Blue Open Studio client for trusted certificates. And transfer it. Blue is now ready to trust Blue Open Studio client. Next, try test connection on Blue Open Studio. An error is displayed because Blue Open Studio has not accepted the Blue certificate yet. Click on Security and then Trust Server Certificate. Blue Open Studio is now ready for trusted connection with Blue. Click on Test Connection and connection will be established. Secure OPC UA communication with encryption and signature completed is now possible.